Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a triangle. From this corner of this triangle, draw a perpendicular line to the base such that this length is 3 unit and this length is 4 unit. And the length of this side is 5 unit. We have to find the length of this side. Consider the triangle is A, B, C and this point is D. As this is perpendicular, so this angle is 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle ADC. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write this height square AD square plus this base square, base is CD and square is equal to this hypotenuse of this triangle is AC. So AC square. Now substituting values, we can write this AD square plus CD. This CD is 4 unit, so this is 4 square is equal to AC square. AC is 5 unit, so 5 square, or this AD square plus 4 square is 16 is equal to right side 5 square, this is 25, or taking this 16 to right side, we can write AD square is equal to this 25 minus this 16, or this left side AD square, this will be 25 minus 16, this is 9, or taking a square root to the both side, we will get the value of AD. So AD is equal to this square root of 9 and square root of 9 is 3. So this length is 3 unit. Again, as this is also 90 degrees, so again applying Pythagoras theorem to here, we will get the value of AB. So applying this theorem again, AB square, this will be this height square AD square plus this base BD square is equal to AD. We have found this as 3, so 3 square plus BD, this is 3, so 3 square is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9 is equal to 9 plus 9 is 18. Now taking square root to both sides, we will get AB as square root of this 18. So square root of 18 is equal to this square root of 18 can be written as 9 times 2 is equal to square root of 9 is 3 times square root of 2. So the length of this side is 3 times square root of 2. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.